And hello everyone, and welcome to my tutorial for Buxom Cosmetics. So today I will be showing you how you generate your free Buxom Cosmetics gift code. First, let's go on the easygiftcode.com/Buxom, and here let's choose the gift card size. Then we will click on the generate gift card, and now it will start generating the free gift code for the Buxom. So just wait for a while until you have your free gift code. This will just take a few moments, so just wait here for a while until you have your free code. Now it will ask you to verify that you're not a robot on the next step. Yes, here it will just click on the I'm not a robot, just copy your code and go to Buxom. And on the Buxom, just go to the kits or whatever you want to take. I will just take the some random kit here and sort by high to low. I'll take this set. I think this one's out of stock, so I can take this one. Let's just take this one. And let's add it to the bag. Then click on the view bag, and now it will take you to the shopping cart. So you can take your sampler or not take your sampler, whatever you want. But here on the shopping cart, you can apply your code now. So just paste in your code, click apply, and it will say coupon code, and it will add your discount. And thanks everyone for watching my tutorial for Buxom Cosmetics, and I hope you enjoyed your free gift code.